Las fierbinți vhasal wai stod autas a serie stat captures de rustic charm, humor, and hidden complexities of Romanian villagelife. From the first moment of SMS-ul, partei vievers are imediate la immersed in the peculiar rehashigrectehashme of the village, where a very mundane interaction can turn into a subtle exploration of human nature. The episode begins with a scene in the local bar, a central hub where gossip flows as freely as the drinks. The camera lingers on the expressions of the villagers, higlicting their reactions to a single, seemingly trivial event, the arrival of a text message that promises to shift the dynamics of the community. The cinematography here is deceptively simple, yet it captures the intricate interplay between anticipation and anxiety, showing how a modern technology like SMS can disrupt even the most traditional environment. The tension builds gradually, not through a overt drama, but through a careful observation of human behavior and reactions, demonstrating the creator's profound understanding of social dynamics. Ea characteris introduced with subtle gestures and expressions that hint at their deeper motivations and desires. From the mischievous grin of a young troublemaker to the courteous glance of the village elder, the series establishes a rich tapestry of personalities that will later collide in unexpected ways. The use of humor in this episode is particularly noteworthy. It is not merely for comic relief but serves as a lens through which the audience can examine the absurdity of human interactions. For example, a seemingly innocent misunderstanding about the content of the text message spirals into a cascade of gossip, revealing the villagers' insecurities, ambitions, and unspoken rivalries. The script skillfully balances these comedic elements with poignant reflections on isolation, longing, and community bonds. In one memorable scene, the village's unofficial matchmaker attempts to leverage the SMS to orchestrate a romantic encounter, only to have her plans foiled by a series of coincidences and miscommunications. This interplay between intention and chance underscores a recurring theme in the series, the unpredictability of life in a tightly-knit community. Furthermore, SMS-ul partly excels in its portrayal of the intersection between tradition and modernity. The arrival of a text message, a simple digital notification, becomes a catalyst for revealing the villagers' adaptability, or lack thereof, to contemporary influences. Some characters respond with curiosity and excitement, while others exhibit skepticism and apprehension, reflecting broader societal tensions in a rapidly changing world. In this way, the episode transcends its local setting and resonates with viewers who recognize similar patterns of behavior in their own communities. The narrative structure of the episode is deceptively linear, but it contains multiple layers of meaning that reward attentive viewing. Ea subplot is meticulously interwoven, creating a sense of inevitability as events unfold. The writer's use of foreshadowing is subtle yet effective, planting small details early in the episode that gain significance later. The arrival of the SMS is more than a plot device. It serves as a mirror, reflecting the desires, fears, and moral dilemmas of the villagers. One cannot help but notice the social commentary embedded in these interactions. Through humor and satire, the series addresses issues as gossip, mistrust, and the human tendency to exaggerate small events into major crises. The episode cleverly juxtaposes the modern intrusion of technology with the timeless nature of human folly, emphasizing that while the tools may change, the patterns of behavior remain remarkably consistent. The direction and pacing of the episode deserve special mention. Scenes transition smoothly, often relying on visual cues and character reactions rather than exposition. This approach creates an immersive viewing experience, allowing the audience to feel as though they are a part of the village itself, observing the unfolding drama in real time. The subtle interplay of lighting and camera angles enhances the mood, shifting from moments of quiet tension to bursts of comedic chaos with ease. Another layer of complexity is added through the nuanced performances of the actors. Each cast member embodies their character with a remarkable blend of authenticity and exaggeration, striking a delicate balance that is essential for the series' signature style. The comedic timing is impeccable, but never at the expense of character depth. Viewers are invited to empathize with the villagers' struggles and triumphs, even as they laud at their idiosyncrasies. The episode also incorporates a rich array of cultural references, from traditional music and folklore to local customs and superstitions. These details enrich the narrative and provide a sense of place that is both specific and universal. By situating the story within a recognizable yet exaggerated environment, the series creates a microcosm of society, where universal human experiences are magnified and explored with humor and insight. SMS-ul, partea is not merely about a message on a phone. It is about connection, miscommunication, and the ways in WHCH humans navigate de delicate balance between curiosity and caution. The episode invites reflection on how small, seemingly insignificant events can ripple through a community, altering relationships and perceptions in unexpected ways. In conclusion, the first installment of this arc in Las Vier Bints is a masterclass in storytelling. It combines humor, social commentary, and an observation to create a narrative that is both entertaining and thought-provoking. By focusing on the reactions and interactions sparked by a simple text message, the series highlights the complexities of human behavior and the enduring relevance of traditional values in a modernizing world. Through its meticulous character development, clever use of visual storytelling, and insightful examination of social dynamics, SMS-ul, partea stands as a testament to the enduring appeal and sophistication of Las Vier Bints, ensuring that viewers are engaged, amused, and intellectually stimulated throughout the episode.